Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Happy Sunday. Happy Mother's Day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. And guys, as always, please don't forget to give that video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload. As you can see, today we have the May 2020 BoxyCharm Premium. Now, I must say this box is extremely light, like extremely light. It honestly feels like there's not much in here, and bless its heart, it looks like it went through a little bit on the way here, but we'll see. So for those of you that are not aware, BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription. It is $25 a month. You receive 5 full-size items. You are allowed to customize one of the items. And then you have this tier, which is the Boxy Premium. This is $35 a month and you receive 6 to 7 full-size items. And again, you are allowed to select and customize one of those items. Then they do also have Boxy Luxe, where every 3rd month, in place of the base box, you will get charged an additional $24.99 to make it $49.99 total for Boxy Luxe. And with that, you receive 8 to 10 full-size products. So BoxyCharm has a little bit of everything, kind of every budget, so it's amazing. I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out and sign up. You usually do get some kind of free gift when you sign up, so that's pretty fun. But let's go ahead and get in here and see what I got in my May 2020 BoxyCharm Premium. So when we open it, this is what we see, BoxyCharm Premium, and there is a card right there. And it looks like the theme for May is Mother Nature. It says packed with gloves and love. The card is gorgeous. All right, and I have variation 45, if you can see that right there. So let's peel back the foam. It's not, it's an awfully large box for not quite that many products, or size-wise anyway. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dive in. I'll start with the item that I knew that was gonna be in here. And this is from Too Faced. This is the Chocolate Gold Soleil Long Wear Gilded Bronzer. And there is the outer packaging. And you can see the beautiful packaging here. It does have a very nice mirror. And you can see there, it's got some shimmer and sparkle to it. And it smells amazing. It is so soft and buttery. A little swatch right here. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, I love it so much. All right, so let's see what they say about this. The Too Faced Cosmetics Chocolate. Now they have matte bronzer here, which when we selected, it actually said that, but it was, we did get an email saying it was going to be the gold. So I was aware of that and I was actually okay with that. This best-selling chocolate bronzer just went gold. Bathe your skin in a long-wearing golden glow with this cocoa powder-infused bronzer created with real shimmering gold that smells like a chocolate dream. And it is $30. All right, so moving right along, what is this little thing? This is from Milk Makeup, and it is tiny. What are you? Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. This is $15. A sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lit from within glow on the go. Antioxidant rich rice bran oil provides skin with a surge of hydration and vitamins for an instant good for you glow. Wear on the cheeks as a glowy blush or lips as a popsicle stain. Color payoff builds as you swipe. Mini size fits in your bag, pocket, or tiny apartment. Okay. It clearly said mini in the description. We are supposed to receive in the premium box, right? This is the premium box. We're supposed to receive 6 to 7 full-size items. This is not full size. Again, it even said mini. So I don't know how I feel about that. This is in the shade Astro Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. I mean, it is tiny. Like, I'm not gonna take that off. It has a plastic covering just because I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I mean, it does seem to be a pretty color, but again, it goes to, it's supposed to be full-size products, and this is the premium box. And you're telling me I'm getting a mini that's only worth $15? It's just a little disheartening. All right, and then what are you? Another teeny Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm in Peony. Now, I'm not mad at this. I love Tarte. Tarte's one of my favorite brands. But if this is a lip oil and this is a lip butter, basically, I realize this one has a tint to it, but it's basically two of the same product. It's like duplicates in the same box. But let's see. You'll have the real MVP, most valuable pout, covering my pout. With this hydrating butter lip balm, your lips will look as good as your perfectly curated IG feed. $12. 15 and 12. These are, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be picky or anything, but these are not the prices that we're used to in the premium box. Honestly, we're not used to these low prices like that or smaller products in the regular box, let alone definitely the premium. Oh, that is cute though. I'm not mad at this. I mean, this is full size, but it's a lip butter. This, they even said it was a mini in the description, so I'm just a little like, okay. I think that is so cute. Oh, that smells so good. It kind of has like a frosting or something. Something, but I think the packaging is adorable. So, all right. And then we have got Kat Von D Ink Well Liner Long Wear Matte Liner. KVD Vegan Beauty Ink Well Liquid Liner. Meet KVD Vegan Beauty's most bulletproof eyeliner yet. Ink Well Liner's super innovative formula sets the bar even higher than extreme long wear and waterproof, transfer-proof, smudge-proof performance, all in a spectrum of highly pigmented shades for one swipe matte opaque, I can't talk. Opacity, y'all know what I mean, with no layering needed. This formula of the future features weightless flex technology to lock in quick drying color that moves with your skin for a finish that doesn't fade or crack. $20. Now, I think it's a little funny that they keep saying KVD, Vegan Beauty, because of the whole situation with Kat Von D, but yet the packaging actually says Kat Von D, so that makes me wonder, is this an older product? And, oh, okay. It is in Dark Wave, which appears to be blue. Yeah. So, I don't know how I feel about this. I'll be honest, because I don't really typically wear colored eyeliner, and if I were, it would be like a white or a champagne or something. I have green eyes. I don't know what blue. I mean, if I did a blue eye look, I guess maybe on the waterline or something. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. And then, like I said, also with the card saying the KVD Vegan Beauty, but the packaging still says Kat Von D. All right, let's move right along. We have, all right, now. Okay. Now this is premium. This is from Kevyn Aucoin, the Expert Mascara. The Expert Mascara has a weightless formula that's buildable and leaves lashes their fullest, and while being soft to the touch, even after multiple applications. It is formulated with Japanese camellia oil to fortify lashes and make them more elastic and resilient. And this is $29. And it is in the shade Black. This is the type of product I would expect to see in the premium. The Too Faced, I'm not mad at this, the lip butter, because that is full size, but this is still throwing me off. The liner, I'm just not impressed with. But here is the packaging. And, ooh, oh, I love that. It's a nice, interesting wand. I like that. I don't know why I always smell mascara. I just do. This has actually, like, no smell whatsoever. I expected that, like, typical mascara smell, but it doesn't have any mascara smell. And I don't know if that's just because it's a little bougie because it's Kevyn Aucoin, but I am not mad at getting that. Not one bit. All right, so we have one more product in here, and this is from Baddington. Baddington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set. This high-performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories. Experience the transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. $90? Whoa. Okay, this is something we should see in premium. I didn't know that Baddington did anything other than lashes. Let's take a look. So it's a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. They are 100% cruelty-free. It says 100% Taklon bristles. Well, these definitely do look like some bougie brushes. So we got a couple. That's very, very nice and soft right there. And then this would be really good in my opinion with that bronzer. So there is that guy. I mean, I definitely think we got some bougie brushes. I do like these. I am excited about the Kevyn Aucoin mascara. Even though I'm not typically a mascara person, I am actually excited about that one. The Too Faced bronzer, I think, is stunning and just gorgeous. I'm not mad at I'm not mad at the Tarte Lip Balm or Lip Butter. I think it's definitely something we could all have. This will look really cute on my nightstand. But it's just this milk makeup product, which is essentially, if it's a lip oil, it's kind of the same, in my opinion, as a lip butter. So I feel like we kind of got duplicate products. Again, I realize this is tinted, so you could use it on your cheeks, but it is just too similar, in my opinion, to the lip balm that we should not have received both of these products in one box. And then the KVD liner, again, okay, you know, I'm just kind of at a loss. I don't know. This, I definitely, in my opinion, I don't really feel that this was their best premium box at all, honestly. I'll add everything up and put the total value of my box right down here for you guys so you can see what my $35 did get me in value. And let me know where we box twins. Again, I have variation 45. Let me know what you got in your box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, have a wonderful Sunday and happy Mother's Day. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.